Airalo pricing plans explained. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'll share my own experience and I'll show you how can you find all the prices for different countries, for regional eSIMs, for global eSIMs on Airalo. So the best way to find all the prices, all the packages, is to visit Airalo from your laptop. So open their desktop version, and here we can find three different folders, like local eSIM for the direct countries, regional with different regions we have, and global, of course. So if you want to travel to only one country, here you can open a local, then find the necessary country here, and then you can just simply select the necessary region. For example, this one here, or let's say if we want to travel to Brazil, doesn't matter. So we have a different options. We have like 5 packages here, and the main difference is in the data size and also the validity. So depending on these two parameters, we'll get different prices. We have like from 1 GB to 10 GB for 1 month, and the prices could be really different depending on your choice, but it's still really comfortable that you can use the eSIM. But before buying, I recommend you to check, does your like phone supports eSIM itself? So you can just simply Google this information in the internet. But what's cool about Airalo is that we can also buy the regions. So we can travel to North America, for example, and here we can use these packets for all countries. So like 1 GB for 6.5, or like 10 GB for $46, and your eSIM will be available in all the region. And the same thing with global. We have the Discover plan, so we can buy 1 GB for $9 only. So it could be really cool. As you can see, it covers like 124 countries. We can find all of them right up here. So yeah, it's pretty good. So hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.